Here's a scenario for you. You exercise 3 times a week to take care of your heart and muscles. You eat healthy 3 times a day to take care of your stomach and intestines. But you breathe up to 1,000 times in an hour. So what are you actively doing to take care of your lungs? See, in a day and age where outdoor air pollution is almost year-round, and where we are spending over 90% of our lives in indoor environments, it's important now more than ever to take active control of your indoor air quality. The first, most simple, and yet probably most overlooked tip that you can start with today is to clean your filters. I'm talking about your HVAC filters, your air conditioners, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, air purifiers, and even that fan that you keep in the corner untouched for almost the entire year. If you don't clean your air filters, you are risking reducing the efficiency of the device and probably causing it to have breakdowns, damages, and even setting some devices on fire. And the worst case scenario is that you are breathing all those particles and dust back in because they have nowhere else to go. So make sure you stop, clean your air filters, and get ahead of your indoor air quality. If you want to know more about how to control your indoor air environment and improve your air quality, make sure to follow for part 2.